Hello everyone, this is Isa. I am the Royal Colorist, and this is a video for those of you who have purchased the Dyebold app and you want to access the app. So what you want to do is visit this domain at www.dyebold.app. You can access this universal app from your computer, your laptop, your MacBook, your Android, or your iPhone. And if it is the first time you're accessing this, you want to go to this website and register at the bottom. Okay, so once I receive your registration, I will approve your registration, and then you want to go back to Dyebold.app and enter the information that you registered with, which would be your email and your password. So here we're gonna go ahead and log in, and we can click on color calculator, or you can access the calculator by clicking on the three bars on the top left. And if you're using Dyebold dies, what you want to choose is the BRY, because these actually matches to the Dyebold dies. Okay, and here we have some options here for selecting a pre-selected color, uploading your photo, or simply picking the color of the target by selecting, let's say, a beige carpet here. You click on current, and let's say your bleach spot is this color, and it gives you the needed color here. And if you've taken the Carpet Dye Made Easy training, you would know what these numbers here mean, which is 25 for the blue, 19 for the red, and 0 yellow. So this is the actual needed solution that you need to fix this yellow bleach spot here. So if you're using any other dyes, you can you have the option of using the BRY color calculator or the CMYK. CMYK is actually used in other apps. The BRY, it was a color wheel that we created from the ground up, right, to match the Dyebold dyes. But the CMYK exists in other apps. But if you'd like to use this, if you're using cyan or magenta and yellow dyes, then you can use this color calculator here, and it works in a similar way to where you can move the sliders, and then you can calculate the needed color. So if you add this color purple to this yellow, you are going to restore it to the desired color here. So let's make this into let's say a beige carpet. So something like this. Okay, so let's say that is your color carpet, and you have a bleach spot that is this color. Then you know that you need to add this color to the bleach spot in order to get the restored target color. All right, so this is how you use the Dyebold app. Got a couple other features here. A really cool one is a digital color wheel. So if you click on the color of your bleach spot, let's say your bleach spot is this orange here, then we know that we need to add this color of purple. So this one is actually more in line with the CMYK, but if you this gives you a rough idea of the colors that are missing. But if you actually want to calculate the dye solution needed, you need to go straight into the color calculator and enter in your information here for the target and for the current, and that'll give you a needed color. All right, so this is how you access the Dyebold app. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.